A good trail for your first Smoky Mountain hiking adventure is Cataract Falls and the Fighting Creek Nature Trail, just minutes from Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The trail is accessible from the Sugarlands Visitor Center. This family-friendly trail is a 1-mile loop that runs parallel to Fighting Creek Gap Road and is rated easy to moderate. From the Visitor Center, go past the concession area down a concrete path to a kiosk that shows the layout of the trail and tells a brief history of the area. From there, it is a well-maintained packed gravel path. After a footbridge crossing Fighting Creek, the trail becomes packed dirt. The lower half of the loop begins a slow and easy upgrade, up until you reach the John Ownby cabin at about halfway around the loop trail. The John Ownby cabin was built in 1860 and was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1976. It is a one-room cabin with a stone fireplace typical of the houses built in the 1800s. The upper half of the trail goes slightly higher, but at the highest point still has only a moderate gain in elevation. From there, the trail begins to go back down to the footbridge across Fighting Creek. At the bridge, continues straight on the trail toward Cataract Falls. The path to Cataract Falls is a flat and easy 0.7-mile gravel trail to the 40-foot waterfalls. With close proximity to Gatlinburg and ease of access, Cataract Falls is a favorite for families with small children.